If you've been searching for a powerful retinol product that promises visible results, you've probably come across Obagi Retinol 1.0, a cream that claims to gently boost skin turnover, even out tone, smooth fine lines, and leave your skin looking younger with minimal irritation. But is it really worth the hype or just another overpriced skincare trend? Obagi has built a strong reputation in dermatology circles, and this product sits on the stronger end of retinol creams with a 1.0% concentration, which means it's designed for people who already have some tolerance to retinoids. Looking at real-world feedback, the cream holds an impressive 4.3-star rating on Amazon, with many users reporting brighter, smoother skin, fewer visible lines, and an overall refreshed complexion after consistent use. Some people even note it works better than standard over-the-counter retinol options, which makes sense given its professional-grade formulation. On the other hand, not everyone finds it perfect. A few reviews highlight dryness, redness, or irritation, especially during the first few weeks, and some feel the results don't justify the price when compared to less expensive alternatives. In terms of transparency, Obagi has the backing of clinical research and dermatology credibility, which gives it more weight than many random retinol creams you might see online. It's also designed with a gradual release formula, so the retinol is delivered slowly into the skin, aiming to minimize harsh side effects. But again, your experience will largely depend on your skin type and tolerance. Overall, Obagi Retinol 1.0 is not a miracle in a tube, but it's not a scam either. It seems to deliver genuine improvements for many users while requiring patience and careful use to avoid irritation. If you're looking for a high-strength retinol backed by science, this may be worth considering, but it might not be the best choice for beginners or those with sensitive skin.